I made a sale while I was sleeping.
While I was asleep.
I was at a pool.
Sale in my sleep.
Several sales while I was asleep.
Make money while you sleep.
While I was asleep.
You've just stumbled across what many consider to be the #1 easiest system for getting your very own internet business up and running before you go to bed tonight. Thousands of people from all over the world have plugged into the 12-minute affiliate system with Sleep Sales technology to pocket online commissions while they're asleep, out with friends, or just enjoying life. Now it's your turn.
Hi, this is Charlotte Hagos, and I'm in Long Beach, California.
Lino Curci from Italy.
My name is Ani Railkar and I am from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, USA.
This guy Williams from London.
Hey, my name's Cameron. I'm from Australia.
My name is Mark Smith from LA, California.
John Martin's here from Toronto, Canada.
Floyd Jones here from Pensacola, Florida. And I just love being part of the 12-minute affiliate family.
Hi, my name is Teresa from South Carolina. I made my first $900 sale while I was asleep in just 3 days after joining the system.
And I made my first sale in my sleep in just under 3 weeks.
Get my very first sale within 10 days.
Hey folks, my name is Russ Vi. I'm from Ellsworth, Maine, and I made my first sale while sleeping in less than a week after joining the 12-minute affiliate system.
I made my first sale within the first 2 days of joining the system.
And I just made my very first commission in just over 2 weeks.
In just 6 days after joining the system.
In the first week, I got 100 leads and I got 1 sale.
I started seeing results in just 2 days.
Hello there, beautiful people. Stephanie here from Austin, Texas. In 24 hours, I got my first sale while I was sleeping.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Donald, down here in Tucson, Arizona. I just love the fact that it literally builds your email list for you, which is something that you get to hold on to.
When it comes to starting an internet business, there's nothing easier than the 12-minute affiliate system.
It's so simple.
I was able to achieve 30% opt-in rate.
Even a newbie can do it.
Hi, I'm Harold from Guelph, Canada. Devon's training is so detailed, even a 5-year-old can follow along.
It's almost like a business in a box.
This program is so great, so easy to do. Anybody can do it. A newbie can do this.
The system that Devon created is very, very easy to follow.
Hey, my name is Najon Kuipat from Sacramento, California. The system is simple, easy and straightforward, and it'll keep working when you're sleeping.
Hey y'all, my name's Troy McLaughlin from Houston, Texas. Devon Brown has created a phenomenal program that is super easy to use.
Thanks 12-minute affiliate for making my life so much easier.
Hey, Devon Brown here, co-creator of the 12-minute affiliate system, and I'd like to thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to learn more about this life-changing program that we've created. As you can see, the people who are already using the system are extremely excited, and that's because they found something that works. You know, when I first started as a home business entrepreneur, I failed miserably. As a matter of fact, it took me 7 years and $40,000 before I figured out how to make money online. And you know, I swore to myself that if I ever figured out how to make money while I sleep, that I would create the kind of system for myself that I wish someone had created for me. And so that's what I got to work on doing. I created a system where you don't have to create any products, where you don't have to build any websites, and that could make you sales while you're asleep. You see, here's the biggest problem with regard to making money online. The challenge is that in order for you to make money, you need website visitors going to a website that sells a product. Well, the first challenge is, how do you get the website visitors and how do you create the product? This system handles all of that for you, where you don't have to figure out how to get the website visitors and you don't have to create your own product. But the next and bigger hurdle is this, and I want you to pay close attention. You see, when somebody comes to a website to hopefully buy a product, the problem is that there's a 99% chance that they won't buy the first time they see what you're trying to sell. This is why you need a system that follows up with people for you automatically. And if you have this system set up correctly, it can make sales for you while you sleep. That's why we call it sleep sales technology, because all of the follow-up is done for you while you're tucked away, snug in your bed. If you're ready to get started, here's all you have to do. Step 1, join the system. Step 2, activate the system. And step 3, order your website visitors. It's that simple. And does it work? Well, I can answer that for you, yes, but I'd rather you hear it from the actual people, just like you, who are already using the system. So I'll tell you what, let's go back and hear more of their stories, and I'll be back in just a little bit with something special for you. And oh, by the way, if at any time during this video, you know that you are 100% ready and that you're all in and that you're ready to get started, don't wait. You have my permission to click the button on this page and get started right now. But for now, let's keep hearing